In this video, I'm going to teach you some Excel tips and tricks and some basic formulas that is used in your daily works. Let's begin with columns and rows again. Suppose you created a table with all the required information and missed one of the column. Say the column is serial number and you want to add that missing column just left to the column student name. So click on column A, do right click, insert one column left. Similarly, if you think you have missed the missing rows between 7 to 8, I am going to click on 8, row number 8, and then do right click on insert one rows above. So this has added missing columns and then missing rows. Now I want to give some values here. So let's say his age is 23, lives in Boston, his roll number is 66, contact number this is male. So I've filled in all the details of student. I'm going to give this column name as serial number and serial number 1, 2 as values. Now once you have filled the values in a series, you just need to click first value, hold the shift key, click on second value, hover your mouse, you will see the drag option. Once you see it, double click it. Now this will fill rest of the values automatically. Now let's try to beautify it. Select the column, click on borders, click all borders, decrease the width of the column. Alright, now let's give some beautification to the headers. Select headers, click on text color. I want to give it white text. If you want it bold, click on bold icon. Now once you have all the values and you want to see these values in ascending order according to the columns, you can use sort functionality in Excel. Let's say I want to sort the values from student name and then age. Now go to the data menu, but before that select column A, hold shift and then click on Z. This will select all the columns. Now you have the range of data. Go to data, click on sort range, hover on it and then choose advanced range sorting options. Click on data has header row. So this will discard the range from your selected data because you want to sort the data from row number 2. Now for sorting, I want to do it from student name column A to Z, which is ascending order. Click on add another sort column, select age from A to Z. If you want some more sorting option, then you can add another sort column as well. For now I am going to do this via student name and age. Click on sort. Now see, firstly it has sorted all the values from student name column. So B comes first, right, and then adds after that J, K, and look at the age column. So when you have identical alphabet at the columns, this is going to sort accordingly when you have selected age as a column sorting as well. Now I want to go and freeze this column, sorry, row number 1. Click on row number 1 and then go to view option, hover and freeze, click on one row. Now scroll it, you will be able to see all the values, but the header will freeze from your Excel file, so that it will give you a clear vision on how you are going to view the data. But remember, you did a sorting on student name and then age. This has messed up your data on serial number, right? So how are you going to fix that? Again, let's try to fix it from sorting option. Click on column A, hold the shift key, click on Z. This will select the data range. Click on data, sort range, advanced sorting options. So firstly, my first sorting option would be serial number. Let me select this first, serial number, and then second I want to go with student name, third by age. Click on sort. Now see, serial numbers, student name, and then age. Okay, so once you have done this, you want to find numbers of student based on gender. For example, you want the count of total male students and total female students. How we are going to do this? Click on row number, any rows. Let's say I'm going to do this right below the gender column. Right equals to, and then count if, open bracket, click on first value of gender column, and then either you drag the values or types colon and then click here, or give the range cell address of Z14, comma, say male students, comma, sorry, comma, give it as male, and then hit enter. So this has given the count of male students. Now let's try to find out total female students equals to count if, cell range, and then female So this has given the count of female students, count of male student, count of female student. Okay, now let's see what can we do. I'm going to copy the format of student name. So click on student name, you will see the paint format option. Click here and then go to the cell option, click there. So this functionality has copied the format of column B row number 1 to column F row number 16. Let me copy this format to another value as well. Give some table borders. Alright, so if you are using Excel to record the students data or any other data, you can use these tips and tricks to your daily work.